Well, yeah, I wasn't going to make a video about last night because it was basically pathetic. But when I got back to the boat ramp and realized that I almost sunk my boat, I thought maybe I should. All because of one little device. What device could that be? And no, it wasn't the plug, although I've done that before. That was funny. Oh, you turd. I like them lively. Alright, y'all, tonight we're going to toss out some bluegill and hopefully get some flatheads and some chicken and maybe get some channel cats. I wanted to be on the other side where the creek channel is, but there's a guy sitting over there, so I came over here. Never been here before, always wanted to try it, so guess we'll try it tonight. Well, I'm not sure when my camera died, but thinking about, I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, it's a big one. Hopefully I got it on camera. Look at that mouth. Gone. Sweet. I was just about to move too. As soon as I was thinking I was gonna move, he bit. Yeah, big old gar. Look at the size of the one the other day. Now you're smaller. Boy, you wreaked havoc on me last night. I think he's smaller than the one from the other day. Yeah. What? You ate all my bait? You son of a... You ate all my dang bait. Where are you going? I'm gonna play with you because you've been eating my bait all freaking night. No. Come back here. Tearing up my lines. Ate all my bait. I don't think so. Oh! Okay. Okay. That was close. That's why I have gloves on. He got me. I have gloves on. He got me through the freaking glove. Unreal. Yep, bleeding like a damn pig. So anyway, after that crappy night of fishing, sun rose and the bass were jumping everywhere, so I grabbed my bass rod and started tossing it around. The hell, I might as well catch something, you know. Been out here for 12 hours, been up for 24 hours. I want to catch something. So I continued bass fishing for about another hour and a half, and, you know, until the battery on my camera ran out, and I thought, all right, it's time to go back. Gotta practice my netting skills. At least I got something. Hang on, buddy. Sweetness. Now, when I was getting ready to go, I did notice there were some issues, like when I was bass fishing, the trolling motor, it didn't have as much power as it normally has. That should have been a clue, but I've been up for 24 hours, so my brain is not working. It's not functioning right. Anyway, I thought the reason it could be not functioning right mainly is because it's loose, because I busted it, which now I got to fix it. And then my second clue that something could be possibly wrong was when I cranked up the boat and went forward. It went forward okay, but then it started to go, and the engine, ooh, don't do that. I'm not on a wheel, I'm on this because this don't work. So anyway, as I was going forward, I went forward and then it started to go like, and the engine was struggling. I was like, well, what's wrong with the engine? Again, I ain't thinking correctly. And it just turns out my boat was full of water. And when I got back to the boat ramp, I went and got the trailer, parked the boat on the shore just like I always do. And as I was backing the trailer up, I saw water coming out of here. And it started to flow onto the deck. And I was probably just a few minutes from, if I'd stayed out any longer, it would have been nasty. Now, I didn't drive very far. I went across the lake to go check the creek channel, which is maybe a mile there and back. And then I just jutted across the cove, which is maybe a quarter mile. So I probably drove like a mile and a half total. There was no reason to have that much water in my boat. So the first thing I was wondering is why the heck didn't my bilge pump kick in? And after I got all the water drained, I saw why. The damn thing is in two pieces. It works. I don't want to kick it on. It works, but it must have came apart while I was driving on that rough road. And so when this thing filled up with water, the pump didn't kick in. So then I started wondering, why do I have so much water in my boat? Turns out my hole is cracked. I got a nice split going down the seam of my hole. That's gonna be another 1,000, right? Oh my gosh. So let that be a lesson to all you new boat owners and a reminder to you old boat owners. Check your bilge pump before you take off. Because it could have been bad.